we go to Texas via California.
Why?
A surrogate mother flees the state of California and goes to Texas.
Why?
Because the biological parents in California wanted the baby aborted.
Hold up.
The surrogate mother said no.
What?
Left California, went to Texas
Wait a minute.
to have the baby.
What?
I think I got that right.
You sure about that?
I'm Jazz Berganza on this. Oh, by the way, congratulations, he's a boy.
Thank God!
And the state of Texas is protecting him.
Brilliant!
But it's what's next. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Jazz Berganza, what's next? Your daily dose. Hope you guys are feeling good today on this Thursday. And this story's a little different. This story's a little different than I've come across to and many a day, and only because of how political my show is, and concentrating so much on the WNBA lately, you know, all that drama and nonsense. But this one's interesting, and I think it may be interesting to you as well. We go to Texas via California. Here's the story. Here's the layout. Hope I can get this right. A surrogate mother who was in California flees the state of California and goes to Texas. Why, you may ask? Well, the biological parents in California who funded this whole thing wanted the baby aborted. The surrogate mother said no because she was catching feelings. So she left California, went to Texas to have the baby, to make sure the baby was going to be protected. I think that lays it all out. Oh, and by the way, she had the baby. It's a boy, healthy. Congratulations. And the state of Texas is protecting him. Oh, by the way, his name is Baby Gabriel. And here we go. This comes out of the Gateway Pundit. Baby Gabriel has been born. Texas AG Kim Paxton protecting him after California biological parents tried to force the surrogate mother to end the child's life. Of course, that is the mother right there. And of course, that is the healthy baby boy. Baby Gabriel was born in Texas on Wednesday after a surrogate mother bravely refused demands from his biological parents to abort him over a treatable heart condition. Now more context. The birth comes after one day after Texas Attorney General Kim Paxton stepped in to secure legal protections, ensuring the baby will receive life-saving care. Immediately following his birth, the newborn was transported to NICU for treatment of his hypoplastic left heart syndrome, a serious congenital defect that has been diagnosed around 20 weeks of pregnancy. The surrogate McKenna West, an Alaskan nurse and a single mother of two, had entered into a surrogate agreement through a worldwide surrogacy supplement specialist with California couple, identified in court documents as Naushina Gilkar and Omar Ahmed. Yes, the all-American couple. The pregnancy proceeded normally until the anatomy scan revealed that the diagnosis of the hyperplasty left heart syndrome, in which the left side of the heart is severely underdeveloped and unable to pump oxygen-rich blood effectively. Without intervention, the condition is typically fatal within days of birth, but is treatable through a series of staged surgeries, beginning with Norwood procedure shortly after delivery. Hospitals with specialized expertise, including those in Dallas, have strong success rates with those procedures in recent years, affirming that the baby's substantial chance at survival and a meaningful life. Yet, the intended parents invoked the abortion provision in their agreement and attempted to force West to terminate the pregnancy. When doctors in Alaska declined to perform at a high-risk late-term abortion, arrangements were made to travel for a procedure elsewhere. I thought it was... Okay, so this is not California? This is Alaska? My bad. I apologize. West refused and saved his life. She researched the condition, learned the expertise available in Texas, and relocated to Dallas County, seeking both legal protections given to the unborn under Texas law and access to medical teams experienced in treating the defect. West even offered to assume full responsibility for the child and arrange adoption, released from the couple and further obligations, but the biological parents said no. Instead, the parents pursued legal action aiming to compel her to give birth in California. Okay, so now we go from California originally to Alaska, back to California, then to Texas. Again, I think I got that right. Instead, the parents pursued legal action aiming to compel her to give birth in California, where they could withhold consent for the necessary surgeries to save his life. They wanted to let him die. Paxton's office stepped in the day before baby Gabriel's birth. The Attorney General formally notified the UT Southwest Medical Center, the Children's Medical Center of Dallas, and the legal duty to provide medical necessary life-saving care upon birth, regardless of the parentage dispute's outcome. Paxton filed a motion to asking the district court to issue orders directing the baby's medical care upon birth, bearing his removal from the state, and setting an expedited hearing if the intended parents refuse consent for treatment. His office also formally notified the UT Southern West Medical Center that Children's Medical Center of Dallas and their legal obligation under Texas law to provide medical necessary life-saving care, noting that the physicians may administer emergency life-sustaining treatment without parental consent or a court order. They're urging hospitals to reject any attempt to transfer the newborn out of state. Paxson stated, "Baby Gabriel deserves a chance at life, and I will not allow anyone to unlawfully deny him medical and necessary care. My office will use every tool available under the state to protect innocent lives and ensure that every child receives care required under Texas law." My thoughts. I think I fumbled over a couple of the words, but basically there was a lot of legal jargon in there. Basically, at the end of the day, she did not want the baby aborted. She was catching feelings. She was already a mother too. So she was originally from Alaska, went to California, made the arrangements. In California, couple said no. She said, well, that's not going to happen. Fled California, went to Texas to have the baby. And of course, Texas law provides protections for that baby. So baby Gabriel is getting better. He's in NICU right now. And congratulations to the mother. And but we may not be totally out of the woods with this yet. So now we're going to see what happens when the California couple steps in and tries to use legal means in Texas, which of course is garbage. California law has nothing to do with Texas law. It's per state. So California, who allows baby murder, Texas does not. They provide protection care under the law. And to me, in my opinion, that is the end of that. So God bless baby Gabriel. God bless the mother. And in my opinion, a feel-good story. And with that being said, I'm Jazz Borganzo. This is What's Next. Want to see more like this? Please leave a comment below. Like it, share, subscribe to it. Hit that notification bell so you guys never miss a thing. Continue spreading the word about the show. Appreciate you guys watching as always. And we'll see you next time. Peace.